What's the real importance of a good roof? And how challenging can it be to find the right contractor? Those are the questions that often plague homeowners. Well, today we're going to shine a spotlight on Sellers Roofing Company New Brighton, the solution to your roofing woes. This is a company that has crafted a strong reputation in Minneapolis, built on a foundation of expertise and experience. Sellers Roofing Company has spent years navigating the unique climate challenges of the area, ensuring that every roof they work on is prepared for anything, from the heaviest snowfall to the most scorching summer heat. Their range of services is just as impressive. Need a simple repair? They've got you. Looking at a complete replacement? They're there for you. Even if you're in need of emergency services, Sellers Roofing Company is ready to step in. But the real cherry on top is their commitment to quality. They use only the best materials, and their team of skilled craftsmen ensures every job is completed to perfection. But don't just take our word for it. You'll hear from satisfied customers who will share their experiences. They'll tell you about the difference Sellers Roofing Company has made in their homes and in their lives. And remember, if you have any queries or need some advice, you can always reach out to Sellers Roofing Company at 651-703-2336. Their friendly and knowledgeable team is always ready to help. So when you're looking at roofing contractors in Minneapolis, Sellers Roofing Company, New Brighton stands head and shoulders above the rest. They understand the local climate, they offer tailored solutions, and they provide a level of service that is second to none. From repairs to replacements, every project is handled with the utmost care and professionalism. And never forget, your roof isn't just a part of your home, it's an investment in your safety and comfort. Trust that investment to Sellers Roofing Company, New Brighton. For any and all roofing needs, reach out to them at 651-703-2336. They're the roofing experts you can rely on in Minneapolis.